Welcome to Homework Lib.
We've got point E at 0, 0. Whoops. Here we go. Point E at 0, 0. We hike to a point 3, 3, and then make a 90-degree turn to the point 6, 0. Draw the route. If one grid represents 1 mile, what's the total distance hiked? Well, think about the Pythagorean theorem here, which is c squared equals a squared plus b squared, where c is the hypotenuse. Now, this could be a right triangle, a 3 by 3 right triangle, where EW is the hypotenuse. So EW squared would equal 3 squared plus 3 squared. We want to round to the nearest tenth. EW squared would equal 9 plus 9, or 18. So EW would equal the square root of 18. And the square root of 18 to the nearest, I'll say, is 4.24. We'll round to the nearest tenth at the end. But then we have the same because it's another 3 by 3 triangle. So another 4.24 miles. And 4.24 plus 4.24 is 8.48. To the nearest tenth, then he would have hiked 8.5 miles.